guys, welcome back. This is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the malarial parameters. So under the malarial parameters, first we are starting with the annual parasitic incidence. So we start with the annual parasite incidence. So what does this include? So the formula for the annual parasite incidence, it is nothing but the confirmed cases. So we're looking at the confirmed case, and this is going to be in 1 year. And what is it divided by? So it is divided by the population under the surveillance. It's a population under the surveillance, and this is going to be multiplied into 1000. Next is we are going to look at the annual blood examination rate. So let's look at the annual blood examination rate. So this is going to include the number of slides examined. So it is going to include the number of slides that you are examining, and it is going to be divided by the population, and we are going to multiply it by 100. Next is we look at the slide positive rate. So here in slide positive rate, the percentage of the slide found, the percentage of the slides found positive. So what are the slides which are found positive, and this is irrespective of the species. So it is irrespective of the species. Next is we look at the slide falciparum rate. Next is the slide falciparum rate. So this includes the percentage of the slides positive. So this includes the percentage of slides positive, and it is going to be of the F. falciparum, Plasmodium falciparum. So this was all about the malarial parameters. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.